Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you.
The 2022 Nissan Versa sedan is a fine transportation tool for getting passengers from point A to point B, but it also makes the journey more enjoyable than many other subcompact cars. Not only is the Nissan handsome, it has a price tag that's affordable for almost everyone. While almost everyone will also find its 4-cylinder engine to be ill-equipped for prompt highway passes, they should find its highway fuel economy to be impressive. The Versa's smooth ride and cushy front seats make it a relaxing chariot for daily commutes, and it's available with more driver assists than its classmates. Although some of those alternatives are better to drive, the 2022 Versa is a very good little car for folks who care most about comfort and safety. The top-of-the-line Versa SR is the one to get. Sure, it's the most expensive version, but we think it's worth it for all the enticing standard equipment it provides. Both the SR and the slightly less expensive SV come with an automatic transmission, and their infotainment systems feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. However, only the SR gets 17-inch rims, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, LED headlights, passive entry, and remote start. We'd also add the convenience package for its adaptive cruise control and heated front seats. The Versa's interior no longer looks and feels like a children's play area. It uses nice materials throughout and has soft touch surfaces on the doors and dashboard. While Nissan doesn't offer power adjustable seats and leather upholstery here, the fanciest model can be had with heated front seats as well as a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. The mid-level SV model unlocks some desirable standard features, such as a driver's seat-mounted armrest and a digital screen in the gauge cluster, while the top-tier Versa SR brings automatic climate control, passive hands-free entry, remote start, and more.